David ang maglakaw.
Asa ba to? Serious, serious.
Ay, dito. Ay. Darren David ang mulakaw. 7K. Wait, practice.
We can do it.
Alright, 6 minutes to go, runners, before gun start. We will take this time to internalize
Wala sa competition.
by 5 a.m.
7K with Joe.
Mumulangot pa ako.
We would also like to thank our partners.
Hindi ka udagan. Isakit ng TL. Yo. Yo. Video namin. Kasama natin ang the pull-up master. Severino. The 60 pull-ups of batch. Saan nga batch siya? Tikas Kamandag. 2023 Tikas Kamandag. 60 pull-ups. Tinalo ako, 59 rasa ako.
Arm wrestling champion.
Oh, tsaka arm wrestling champion. Chestmaster, tanan. Karatido.
Ratido bagid.
Ay mo kalimutan ang runner. Can I get a thumbs up na nakasinabot atong the starting line is the finish line. Alright, now we have 2 minutes more to go before gun start. 1 minute more to
Right
go
tayo mga
before gun start.
bagong abot, mga trainee sa BFP.
Ready na yung mga Strava?
Mga mga BFP, mga bagong trainee.
Alright, inside na. Everyone, forward, forward. 7K runners, come on!
Ayun, seryoso, sarap. Mabilin me.
I know you guys are ready for this.
Yo!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Seryoso.
Big shout out to PSP. Thank you so much.
Allah! Mga BFP. Mga recruit from BFP. Ma'am Ives of Alumni. 4 seconds na up niya. Alam. Pabalik na sila. Grabe, bilis. Go kami. I think 1K. 1K ni ma'am?
75K na.
I mean, ang kini ba? Kini nga.
Wala.
Bilis na mga recruit.
Paano i-recruit natin?
Walang recruit ng BGMP. ilang kilometers sa tour distance. Hindi kasi alam ng ano eh, ng organizer yung nakapwesto dun. Takbo lang, takbo. Lapit na. Ay, pagkabagyo na. Papasok na si Typhoon Yuan. Right. Nabutan nga talaga ng ulan. Eh! Malapit-lapit na. Ah! Wala sa ulan! Tayo! Malapit na! Ay, na medal. Yeah.
Congrats! You guys are amazing! Congrats everyone! I want you to know that we're the same. Congratulations, runners, for doing such great job finishing that line. Everyone, for today, our run for today, the Run for Charity 2025. Thank you so much for doing this noble effort. Run for a cause for our kids or the pediatric patients of National Children's Hospital. Congrats, everyone.
Kaon na kaon. Kay gutom.
Jenny, congrats.
Thank you, sir. Puso.
Thank you. Thank you.
Masa na, sir? Kaon na, takot.
You guys are so amazing, and please don't forget to claim your pack meal. And congratulations to
Sayang, hindi namin nadala yung recruit din namin.
for
Marami na sana yun, 290.
for choosing
Marami sila.
this one. Thank you.
Kaya sila may uniform na, namin wala.
For the kids and the children. Alright, we would like to request our friends from BJMP.
Tapos natin yung 7K.
We're asked to come over here.
Nadati na lang natin yung recruit ng PFP. Sobrang dami nila. Dami, sobrang.
So, someone approached me from the
Brad, ilan mo kabuok? Ilan mo kabuok? Asan yung train center? Asan yung train center? Bisaya mo tanan? June 7 mo tanan? June 7 tanan?
Mindanao sa Davao.
Ah, okay. So, Visayas. Visayas.
Pero dito sa video na pa.
Oo ba? Ano ka naman? Pila ka ba ko na?
Alright.
Ayan sila. Alikod na takay. Basta kayo?
Wow, daghan naman di ani nila oy.
Nag-ilis na kay basa. Basa ka.
Center, center.
Wala tayong uniform.
Center, center. Including our friends from Monsoon.
Anong tagtubig?
We would like to call the attention of the runner with a race bib number 756. Runner with a race bib number 756.
First placer.
Ay, sama.
Basta siyete mo bate. Running na no?
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Basta siyete! Kumbate!
Again, one more! In 3, 2, 1, go!
Basta siyete! Kumbate!
Alright, Victoria. Okay, now, thank you so much. Can you stay there? Sir Brian, everyone, guys,
Maulaw ta sa second placer, 5K yan. Female category.
Transition to letters, thank you so much.
Lahirag yun.
Smile.
Idol. By age, Nick.
And our first placer, 50 seconds na yun, ang ilahang labaw. Grabe, nagpinok. Hello, good morning.
Basta
Okay,
dasi kalakdan.
my
Oh,
Picture,
bate.
please. Everyone,